OpenAI acquired a team that has worked on a variety of products over the years, including early functionality at Facebook, YouTube, and Riot. The team will help improve ChatGPT. This comes off the heels of several key product leaders leaving OpenAI. 10 Open Challenges in LLM Research by the amazing Chip Huyen. The first two, hallucinations and context length, get discussed a lot today. But the most interesting may be multimodality, architecture improvements, and alternatives to GPS. There are lots of smart folks working on these challenges, so we expect to see several of these improved upon in the near term. Dependency management is one of the hardest parts of working in Python. Conda aims to solve that issue, but the underlying package manager in Conda hasn't seen much love. Pixi is a new manager that is, of course, written in Rust. DeepMind, Google's artificial intelligence research lab, has been testing new technology that could effectively turn generative AI into a personal life coach. A new approach named L3DMC boosts the performance of continual learning by preserving prior knowledge and enabling better adaptation to new concepts. It accomplishes this by combining the benefits of different fixed curvature spaces and operating in a higher dimensional space. This research introduces solo performance prompting, SPP, a method that uses multiple personas and LLMs to simulate cognitive synergy, a collaborative process that enhances problem solving. By using several finely tuned personas, SPP enables LLMs to tackle tasks that require deep domain knowledge and complex reasoning. Reinforcement learning is probably the best tool for aligning large language models today, and even vision models. However, it is challenging when you need a bunch of human data to train a reward model. What if you can just use prompting? This is another great example of a trend of RLCFC for computational. Sometimes computers see the same object multiple times in one picture. This project developed a method that helps the computer recognize and focus on a single complete version of the object. Despite recent automation, over 1 billion phone calls are made every year to coordinate U.S. freight. FleetWorks automates these calls with voice synthesis, generative AI, and integrations with legacy logistics systems. When a load of Coca-Cola needs to be delivered to a warehouse in Bentonville, brokers can use FleetWorks to book the carrier, track the load, and schedule appointments. Commit messages are vital in software development, but many are lacking in detail. This paper introduces a shift from simply generating commit messages to completing them using past commit history. The paper introduces a new dataset, Commit Chronicle, and shows that using history can improve the quality of messages. It highlights the fact that the GPT 3.5 Turbo model, while not always outperforming, has the potential for generating longer, detailed messages. An extremely deep dive into the viral Transformers Math 101 article and high-performance distributed training for transformers-based architectures. OpenAI's chief scientist has often talked about how compression may be all you need for intelligence. In this lecture, he builds on the ideas of Kolmogorov complexity and how neural networks are implicitly seeking for simplicity in the representations that they learn. He provides a clarity of thought that is rarely seen in the industry around generalization of these novel systems. AI is extremely hyped, but there are multiple areas where it still needs a lot of work. A Hacker News thread exploring whether it's possible and reasonable to teach yourself AI ML.